Through the TutorOcean online marketplace, you can excel as a tutor or a student. Whether you're a hard-working professional or a bright, attentive student, you can spread knowledge and help people realize their dreams. Sign up is absolutely free for tutors and students, and once you're registered, you have full access to a global marketplace of people who are ready to empower you with the knowledge you need to achieve your goals. TutorOcean's online classroom is where such exchange of knowledge happens. As it defies temporal and spatial boundaries, it provides tutors and students around the world with convenience and flexibility in teaching and learning. Its intuitive features such as whiteboard, text editor, code editor, file sharing and more enable tutors and students to interact in real time. TutorOcean can also arrange in-person sessions that fosters hands-on engagement, which is a good way to learn, retain and master concepts and skills. TutorOcean makes teaching and learning easy and effective. So, what will you teach or learn today?